Since the Industrial Revolution, rapid industry development have inevitably led to the consumption of large amounts of fossil fuel energy, resulting in significant carbon dioxide and greenhouse emissions, and accelerating global warming seriously. This climate change results in extreme weather events, sea level rise, and ecosystem destruction, posing serious threats to human security and ecological stability. To address this crisis of climate, ELLECT presents a meaningful innovation to make the carbon emissions from the 500,000 diesel excavators produced and supplied annually zero. The Cube is a packaged electrification module that can be easily installed on conventional diesel excavators, immediately switching over power source from the diesel engine with an electric motor. Equipped with the Cube, excavator is not a threat to the climate change anymore, and energy costs can be reduced by up to 80%. This provides environmental benefits along with economic efficiency. ELLECT's Cube can be easily installed on both new excavators and used excavators currently in operation, and it offers scalability for easy installation on excavators from all manufacturers worldwide. New paradigm for net zero objectives. ELLECT's electrification cubic module, the Cube, provides an eco-friendly solution for the planet through sustainable energy transition of excavators. For the environment, for the future.